Hey, how's it going, guys? David Merz here. So welcome. So today we're making empanadas, and we're actually using some venison today, which is amazing. So here's all you got to do. All you got to do is take your little roll here. Hey, get a good shot of this. So we've got some homemade, dough, and we're going to take this dough. Come on over, get a nice clear view of this. What we're looking at in here, is that beef? No. This is ground venison, and we've got some onions, some garlic, some peppers, some seasoning. All you do is take what looks about the right amount, plop it on there until it looks really, there we go, perfect. Now bring it down here. All I got to do is fold it up. I'm going to pinch it at the top a little bit. I'm going to come down the sides, pinch it all around until it's sealed off. Now you don't want to put too much in here, otherwise it'll explode on you. So it's better to have a little too little than too much. And if a little comes out, no big deal. Just eat it off the table. Pinch it firmly but not too firm. And then you're just going to give a little bit of a tweak on the edges to make it look all professional. This is purely decorative, but it does enhance the flavor as well. And then voila! All right, guys, we just made a beautiful tray of empanadas with our venison filling. Oh, it's going to be delicious. I can already smell it in my mouth. Now we're going to take a little bit of an egg wash here. So I've got my egg in here, and I'm going to dab a little bit of the egg white on the top of all these. I'm going to paint it so that way it turns golden brown and crispy in the oven. They're all glistening with the egg wash, and they are ready to go in. So let's put it in the oven, and we'll check in on them in 25 minutes. All right, guys, the oven just went off. Let's check them out. Wow, look at these. Look at those golden brown empanadas. They're not even hot.